So welcome back to my channel and you are watching English Flight and I am Pathojit Bora. So today I am bringing for you very important question answers of the poetry of the poem A Thing of Beauty. Okay, so Thing of Beauty question answers আমি কইলাম. So the first question is that list the things of beauty mentioned in the poem or according to Keats never passes into nothingness. Okay, so list out the beautiful things. Okay, so what are the beautiful things mentioned in the poem? So according to John Keats, every objects of nature are the source of pleasure and they are the things of beauty. For example, the sun, the moon, old and young trees, daffodils, clear rills, blooming musk roses, mid-forest brake, etc. are constant source of joy and happiness. Their loveliness always increase and never pass into nothingness. So number 2, list the things that cause suffering and pain. Answer is that. Okay, the meaning of this question is that we have to list out, we have to find out the things which are creating suffering and pain. So already discussed in the poem, what are they? Now the answer is that there are many things which causes pain and suffering. These suffering things, according to the poet, are malice and disappointment, despondence, the lack of noble qualities and good manners in human being, unhealthy and evil ways, gloomy days and overdarkened ways. These things are the sources of sufferings which give us pain and troubles. Next number. What does the line, therefore we are wreathing a flowery band to bind us the earth, suggest to you? So what is the meaning of the above line that is being derived from the poem directly? So we have to explain the meaning of the line given. So answer is that there are suffering things like disappointment and dejection all around us. These things make us upset, but there are things of beauty on this earth which bring joy to us. We love them and think of them. According to the poet John Keats, every morning we seem to wave a flowery band that keep us attached to the beauty of this earth. Next question. What makes human being love life in spite of troubles and sufferings? So in spite of troubles and suffering, what makes our life, what makes human being love life? Okay, so this question came in the year 2019, very important. The answer is that the world is full of physical and mental sufferings. There is much pain, sorrow and sufferings, but things of beauty have a power to heal our sufferings. This shape of beauty, like the sun, the moon, old and young trees, clay rills, flowers, etc., bring love and happiness in our lives. So we love them. They make the earth worth living for us. Next question is that why is grandeur associated with the mighty dead? Answer is that here mighty dead is referred to as the forefathers who are great and powerful and dominating in their own times. Their achievement made them mighty and great. Their deeds were heroic. Their works dazzle our eyes. They did things things which ordinary human beings could never have done. Hence, grandeur is associated with the mighty dead. Okay, we have explained it in the poem. So those who missed the explanation, they can go to the playlist and watch the videos of part 1 and part 2 thing of beauty. Next question, do we experience things of beauty only for short moments or do they make a lasting impression on us? Very important question. So answer is that we don't experience that things of beauty is only for a short moments, but they made a lasting impression on us. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is a constant source of happiness. Its loveliness always increase but never decrease and never pass into nothingness. Its beauty made a lasting impression on us. 7 number question. What image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? So one special image is described here. I have already given the answer is that what is the image used by the poet in the poem? The poet John Keats uses the image of the endless fountain to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth. Okay, the poet says the beautiful bounty of the earth as an ever flowing fountain of immortal drink. The lines are as under an endless fountain of immortal drink pouring unto us from the heaven's brink. This endless fountain of immortal drink constantly pours from the heaven into our hearts and souls. Next question is very important, very, very important. How is a thing of beauty a joy forever? This question came in the year 2012, 13, 14, 16 and 17. So very, very important. Or what is the message that Keats wants to give through a thing of beauty? This question came, same, answer is same. Questions are different but answer is same. This question also came in 2020. Or what increases continuously in a thing of beauty? This question came in 2018. So these three questions came in different years. Almost 5 and 6 years consecutively this question has been repeated. So that's why it is one of the important questions of the poem. Okay, so keep your put your best concentration on this question, very important, but answer is same. So I am making your work very easy because you have to know only one answer. Only one answer can save you, okay, to know at least 7-8 numbers of questions. Okay, you have to save yourself from knowing 6-7 numbers of answers. Only one answer can save you. So the answer is that according to poet John Keats, a thing of beauty is a joy forever because its loveliness always increases, its beauty never devalued or passed into nothingness. It is a constant source of happiness and pleasure. Every object of the nature are things of beauty. For example, the sun, the moon, old and young trees, flowers, reels, etc. All beautiful things have the power to remove all the sufferings and pain. The beautiful things give us calmness, peace, sleep, full of sweet dreams and good health. Through the poem, the poet gives us the message that although there are many suffering things around us, yet the beautiful things get constant source of happiness and pleasure. So that's all for this video, and for the new learners, subscribe my channel, and if you missed the old videos, then go to the playlist and watch all the videos related to your course and share it among your friends that can help them to pursue, to continue their lockdown studies, their quarantine studies, and have a nice day.